Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. Hey, it's your girl. Ginger, of course. Welcome back. Alright, so today's video is going to be about mini twists and how I take care of my mini twist. I know a lot of you guys had a lot of questions, especially on Instagram. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. So this video shouldn't be very long, but y'all know how I get. When I get to talking, I just be rambling. Anyway, so my hair is 2 weeks old. My mini twists, they're about 2 weeks old, and they're looking a little crazy. It depends on the day, it depends on the time, and it depends on if I styled my hair or not. So I'm gonna take my hair out, but before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, girl. I mean, if you're here, you're watching, you're getting some value out of my content, you might as well subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram if you are not following me there. You know, I'm so close to hitting 30K on Instagram. So yeah, thank you for your support. All right, so like I said, my hair is about 2 weeks old, and I did a style the other day where I put my hair up into like this little bun almost situation, and I've only used bobby pins, so I have a ton of bobby pins in my hair. So pardon me as I take out like 10 bobby pins. Did I say 10 bobby pins? You thought I was lying. Oh wait, there's another one. Don't I look crazy? I look crazy. I look a little crazy. You're probably clicking off this video like, what? Why would she tell us to do mini twist if her hair looks like this? Anyways, you should do a mini twist because although my hair looks crazy, she is moisturized. Okay, moisturize. She feels really good, and it's so easy for you to actually go and moisturize your hair because, I mean, you don't even have to worry about detangling. You don't have to worry about taking down a style to moisturize or any of that jazz. You can do it while your hair is in the mini twist. So this is what I want to show you today, how I revive my mini twists, how I take care of them. So yeah, let's not make this video super long. I'm going to move to the shower. This is how I start my moisturizing session. We start in the shower because moisturizing without water is not moisturizing, okay? We don't moisturize with oils. We don't moisturize with butter. I know there's a whole debate online right now about not using oil and butter. And I think it's just because people are using oils and butters incorrectly or too heavily. We're gonna get into that some other day. This is a video for another day. Today, it's all about how I reset and moisturize my mini twist, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So let's go shower. So when I hop in the shower, I typically start by doing my skincare. So I take my time to wash my face, and then I start running my wet hands through my hair. So I don't put my hair under the water per se, but I will wet my hands and run it through my hair just like I'm doing now. And that allows me to get some water into my strands without me having to wet my hair entirely. We go back to skincare because, you know, we take skincare seriously over here. And then I go ahead and wash my body. You don't need to see all of that, but you know what I mean. And then I rinse myself off, and then back to hair, run my fingers through. I'll get some water from my ends specifically because I really want to get my ends nice and moisturized with water without getting it soaking wet, if that makes sense. But I'm not opposed to getting some good water in my ends. It's okay if they're wet. The beauty of having mini twists is just the flexibility of being able to wet your hair if you want to, and not having to detangle, not having to go through your whole routine or anything like that. So I love that for me. And I can tell that my hair is moisturized because my hair just starts soaking up that water. You can see she has so much movement. She has more weight to it. She's not sticking up and doing all kind of craziness. This is me outside of the shower, and girl, fling, fling, wing, wing. All right, so now that I'm out of the shower, my hair feels really nice already. And she's giving me the fling, fling. She's giving me the swing, swing. Love it. So I'm going to seal in the moisture, and I know people hate that terminology, but I don't know how else to put it. We're going to seal in the moisture with this leave-in conditioner by IMONatural. It's a pH perfect leave-in conditioner. Love the nozzle. So just going in a little bit, mostly towards my ends, and this one smells really good. Ugh. I like to put a little bit on my hands and then work it through. Just work that through, and then just a little bit of oil I'm going to add. Honestly, that's it. Not a lot. I know we can definitely overdo it with oils, but I'm just going to add it on my ends, and that is it. Just work the rest through my hair, but mainly I am focusing on my ends. This is where I want it, and that is it. The joy or the good thing about having these twists is I can do this honestly every single time I shower, and I do this almost daily. It really allows me to moisturize my hair as many times as possible, and it takes me like all of 5 minutes. That's it. Well, while I have you here, I'm actually gonna do a little style. Nothing crazy. It's the same style that I had on, which is kind of like pulling it up a little bit. I kind of like that look while I leave some bang bang frang frang in the front, just like that. Yesterday when I did it, I used a bunch of mini twist. Yesterday when I did it, I used a bunch of bobby pins, but right now I'm gonna use a little rubber band. There we go. And I don't know, this style I've been liking. It's really low key, nothing really special. It's not tight or anything. There's no tension on my scalp. There's no tension on my edges. It's giving me relaxed, I'm at home vibes. And that is it. That's how I've been taking care of my mini twist. I honestly don't do too much with them. I leave them alone. I really see this style as one of the best protective styles, and I just leave my hair alone. So it's been great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on your way out, girl. It helps me out. It helps out my channel. And if you have any requests, leave them down below. I do plan on taking these twists out at least by next week, because the protective style challenge is done and I need to make an update video. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.